water pollution, human as well as animals have to face various trouble in near future. Hello viewers, once again welcome to my YouTube channel. Now you can see so many agar trees behind me, which is very expensive tree, and it is found only in few countries around the world. Agar wood is a fragrant, dark, resinous wood used in incense, perfumes, traditional medicine, religious purposes, and aromatic food ingredient, etc. Today, you can enjoy few more sound with the topic of awareness of water pollution. Water is an important natural resource. About 3/4 of the earth's surface is covered by water. Water is very important for life to exist on this earth. Water can exist in all three states: solid, liquid, and gas at different temperature. The state of water can be changed by changing the temperature, that is by heating or cooling. Below 0 degree, water exists in the solid state as ice. Between 0 to 100 degrees centigrade, water exists mostly in the liquid state. Above 100 degrees centigrade, water exists in the gaseous state as water vapour. Water is uniquely vulnerable to pollution, known as universal solvent. Water is able to dissolve more substances than any other liquid on earth. It is the reason why water is so easily polluted. Water pollution occurs when harmful substances like often chemicals or microorganisms contaminate a stream, river, lake, ocean, aquifer, or other body of water, degrading water quality and rendering it toxic to human or the environment. There are various sources of water pollution like groundwater pollution, surface water pollution, ocean water pollution, etc. When contamination originates from a single source, it is called point source pollution, like wastewater or effluent discharged legally or illegally by a manufacturer or well refinery, or contamination from leaking septic tank, etc. Non-point source pollution is contamination derived from diffuse sources. They may include agricultural or stormwater runoff or debris blown into waterways from land. Non-point source pollution is the leading cause of water pollution, and it is difficult to regulate since there is no single identifiable culprit. Due to water pollution, human as well as animals have to face various trouble in near future. When a stranger tries to enter into a house, the faithful pet dog tries to interrupt the stranger. First he warned, making sound like this. He tried to resist him to enter the house by making such sound. And finally, when he failed, he tries to attack, making this sound and inform his master like this. Viewers, if you like my channel, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.